We have a follow-up to yesterday's report on the lawsuit against a Lafayette police officer and Lafayette Consolidated Government. News 10's Dawson D'Amico spoke with the alleged victim's attorney about the suit.
According to attorney Chris Villamoret, his client, Christy Spence Lips, was receiving sexually charged messages by Corporal Tommy Apireth of the Lafayette Police Department after he arrested her in a routine traffic stop on June 3rd.
The arresting officer took possession of Miss Lips' telephone, cellular telephone, and he input his information, his personal information, contact information, into her cellular telephone.
Lips was arrested for suspicion of driving under the influence and later bonded herself out. Over the next several days, Lips and Corporal Apireth began conversing over text message where Apireth allegedly expressed sexually charged conversations with Lips. At the same time, Apireth is alleged to be discussing Lips's pending charges against her and using his power as the arresting officer as leverage.
She felt compelled to engage in this conversation with the officer because of his authority as an officer and because he was her arresting officer, and she understood that he retained a lot of power and could use that to help her or to hurt her.
It was not until Lips noticed Corporal Apireth used his connections as a police officer to collect information about Lips that she realized something was not right.
And that caused her great concern and made her feel unsafe, and that's when she reported the incident to the authorities and participated in an investigation with the police department.
Lafayette Consolidated Government has also become a defendant in the case.
Lafayette Consolidated Government didn't train this officer properly and supervise him. It should go without saying that they shouldn't act like this and shouldn't communicate with the public, much less people that they are arresting. And to abuse their authority to gain some kind of advantage over these people, to make them feel vulnerable, especially in a sexual way.
In Lafayette, Dawson D'Amico, KLFY News 10.